Hello and welcome to another free code session. My name is Jason Bach, and I was about to finish this from the last episode. So I left you on a cliffhanger, so to speak. But I got more coffee, and we're going to move on, which was this. There we go. Which I don't have in evaluate lines. Okay. And so I think I say evaluate line statements, bound line statements, and I should be consistent. I don't have a line number. I don't have that. Yeah. Yes. Bound lines. There. So, which also lends me to go here. I say bound line statements, bind line statements. Yeah, I have to, but I know okay, that's fine. Okay. So then here, I think this is all I needed to do, which is to say you evaluate the line statement. The last value is the line that you get, so that's what you can pop off as the last value. It's a one value stack, so to speak. I add that to my lines, and then the last value is all the lines. All right. One more time with feeling. Of course. Oh, it's line statements. And I also want to say this is line statements. There we go. So we'll do the one-liner. Blurf. Okay. Line to bound line statements. Of course. Of course. So this is the problem, is that this last, oh, it's a line. Yes, I want to actually produce lines. The lines. There we go. Okay. Yep, that's a list of, yeah. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do. And then, of course, my employer tells me to keep rebooting, but I keep ignoring it. Okay. Unable to cast object of collection line to runtime line. Evaluator, evaluate. Oh, okay. Sorry. I had to sit there and think for a second, like, what am I doing here? Well, who's calling this? I don't think this is true anymore. Yeah, this is also something that I realized, which is binding a compilation unit. What does that give you now? That actually gives you a bound statement. But now the evaluator here should just take the statement. the statement is actually now, because if I look at this, it's going to be line statements. So if I come back to the evaluator here, this is just a bound statement. Okay? Where this is no longer a list of them. Okay, so that gets that. Of course, now I have another problem. Yeah. Now I just say the builder is the lines. This dot evaluate statement of this dot root. That's all I do. And now I can say, I don't even need this anymore. I can now say return list of, what's line statements doing again? List of lines of this dot last value to immutable array. Boom. And it's just that simple. Oh. Oh, okay. Well, one line works. Compilation unit line statement and a file token. Oh, be quiet, cat. I'm not sure if my CLS is actually... Oh, it's clear, right? That's right. Oh, would you be quiet, kitty? Hold on, let me get my cat. Well, I left the door open just a little bit, so if he's continuing to howl, he can come in and sit on my lap. So, all right, where was I? Where was we? Oh yeah, it did work, and that's right. I was saying in my babbling state that I think it's actually clear, not CLS. Yeah. Okay, that's why CLS wasn't doing anything. I was trying to add that as a line of code. That was funny, yeah. Okay, never mind. I'm getting loopy here. All right, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then 2, 1, minus 4. Okay, well, that sort of did not work. We go 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's like not getting, it's getting quite messed up. So, okay, well, that's all right. Let's come back to the parser here and close all but this. So, let's see what this... I just heard my cat. I think he went into the other room. That's where our laundry room is. And around the corner in there is where the litter is. So I think there's a little door at the bottom that he went through. So then he walked away, but he didn't even come in here. Oh well. All right, so we're going to, let's make sure that we've got, this is also the thing with Camtasia. I have that installed on my machine, but Control-Shift F9 is actually used by Camtasia for some reason. I think if I have a PowerPoint open, it's weird. Let's see if that actually, I'm just curious. Yeah, that actually works if you don't have PowerPoint open. And there's a way to configure that in Camtasia. I just haven't gone back in there to change it. All right, let's debug this. And I'm sure I will see 2, 1, run. Okay. So the line index is 0, which makes sense because we're at position 1. Okay. So start token is a number token 2. We didn't find a semicolon. We parse. We add a line statement. Okay, so what position are we at now? 4. Okay. The next one is a semicolon token. Okay, so we found the semicolon and we move the position. If our current, you'd think that would equal. They look the same. Okay, so now the position is 5. Clear this out. I'm not sure. Text is lines, and the 0, oh, what's the start token now? Oh, that's why they didn't equal. I'll have to do, wait, let's do this again, because I was a little confused. Okay, so we say 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, minus 4, run. Okay. Start token is, why does it think it's 2? Position is 1. How? Parse comes into here. How would I have moved it already? Oh, because we parsed the prime. Okay, yeah, I'm an idiot. I'm a total moron. Okay. And the 2 is the next. Okay. Yeah, I actually have to look at the position. Okay. Never mind. Never mind. Okay, so we're at 1, we're at 2, we're at 3, we're at 4. Oh yeah, because it's just a number. It's a literal. Okay. And the match. Okay, where am I? Okay. Okay, so we got a line statement. Next we peek. So our current right now is the semicolon token. Yes, because we're peeking at, yeah, okay. If the next kind is a semicolon token, we found the semicolon token, now we push. Start token was 2, 3, this is 8, 9. So it's on the next one. Okay, and then we come up here. Now our position is way off, because if we look at current, its position is 8. So this does not reflect reality. So I think we definitely want to say, if you found another semicolon line, if you find a semicolon, what you really should do is set the position to that next token's position, right? I think that's what we want to do here. And you have to remember, I am not a compiler expert here. That's not obvious at, excuse me, at this point. Okay, so what we have now is the next is a semicolon. Okay. What's the current though? It's a semicolon. I think, hold on, I got to answer a text here. Okay. Text made. All right, so I think I'm close. I think I'm really, really close here. I just need to, I find the semicolon. And in the case that I find the semicolon, I really want to move next and then just break. Maybe this is wrong. Yeah, maybe this is wrong. Okay, so let me do this. Now if I say that, that suddenly becomes the number token on the next line. Okay, and then this dot text. So let's try this. Nope. This dot text, this dot current position is 1. That's what I want. Okay. let's just run that now. Okay. No, I don't. And this needs to be position. Okay, then run that. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, -4. Run. And we're spinning. Just keep spinning. 3, 2, 1, -4. Okay, so we find the semicolon. We push the position. Which it doesn't. Now the position here is 8. Line index here was 0. This should be 1. So we should break out of this, right? And we do. Okay. So we parse the line statement. We get that. We come in here. So we come into this. It should be a 2. Oh, yeah. If I'm on the second line, I never actually move off, I think. I think that's the problem here. Well, let's see. Yeah, and I just keep spinning. I must... Okay, that's great. I'm just parsing a name expression constantly. Okay, stop. So this isn't quite there. Again, I think we're close. But not quite there yet. I put something in my comment. It shouldn't have been there. I think this will show up if I just do one line. Maybe not. Okay, so if I do semicolon, I say semicolon found is true, position. The current is the end of file token. We come through. We found the semicolon. We're looking at the next one. If it is a semicolon, we didn't find it. Position, we break out, we return, and then we should just stop, right? Yes, we do. Okay, so one line works. It's the second. It's the case where I do 1. It doesn't 4. Doesn't matter. Okay, we're in the first line. Yes. Okay. So, dang it. Hold on. We can't do that. Okay, we come through, do that. We say, is a semicolon. We come back through, we parse the line statement. We add a line. Huh. Well, what's happening here? Yeah, we're getting all sorts of screwed up. 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, run. Okay, we do that. Break out. We return. We added it. Now we should be, yep, that. We come into the line. We parse it. We should have got a 2. Now I need to parse the expression line statements. So we come into here. What is our current position? 10. Our line index is not correct. These are not lining up anymore. That ain't good. That ain't good. And I'm pretty much near the end of my time, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to figure this out right now because I got to do the work thing. So Yeah, I messed up something here, obviously, where the position is just not lining up with reality. And what's interesting is if I go to current, current is just peak. Peak is just the offset of the position. So that's really bizarre. Because yeah, I'm not really sure what this is. One of these things that's just going to bother me. And what I need to learn, or need to remind myself right now, is when something's really confusing me, is to just walk away from it, stop, and say, "It's okay, Jason. You can move on because." Yeah, just let it go. Step away for a second. Maybe I'll come back to you later. So I may record another one tonight because, well, I've got to edit this first one so that it's up for tomorrow. And then I might, I might try to debug this later and see if I can finally figure out where in my brain this isn't working. So that's all for now. Thank you all for watching. Leave comments and questions below. See you in the next episode.